Hey everyone, it's been a minute, and today we're playing this game called Bird. Let me turn off the music so you can hear me better. Wait, you could still hear that. And this is a really cool game. You get to play as a bird. You might have to change through different colors. You get to pick up stuff. You get to make quack noises. You get to sit down or do a little dance. Yes, I like this game because you get to play as some bird. I think this is an emu, or no, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's an ostrich. Or maybe it's a crane. I don't know. What do y'all guys think? I'm gonna get in this cannon. Jump in! Ow! That hurt! Ooh! What does that say? I hate that sign. Oh, what's in here? Oh! Is this a... Man, I was... Ow, my nest! Okay, get away from that area. Get away from that area. Great, now it's fried chicken. And now I respond as yellow. Oh yeah. Tweet. Guys, I can make bird sound. Listen. Yeah, I know, those were different. What's in that shrink hole? What the? That's the end! Where's my bird respawn? Hello? Ew! I'm turned into a bluish greenish color. Let's go up the slide. Statue! Oh, parkour pro! No! Gosh dang it. And guys, what's past those hills? Let me know. That's where my child was. My child. I found my child. Now a proud parent. Wait, I'm a boy. I'm not supposed to be having children. That one's pretty fast. Ooh. Where'd you get that hat? Where'd you get that? How can I get... okay. Looks like we're now dancing. What is that? A horn? I can't tell what that is. Let's go. Ooh, ice cream. Ew, there's ice cream. A waste. What's a waste of ice cream? Oh, that's where I get the hats. Look at me, I have a hat. That's a bunch of avocado. Sit down the avocados. What's down here? Oh, well, I'm trapped. Well, guys, I think this could be the end of the video. Bye, and make sure... Oh, yeah, and make sure y'all always like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Or you could go to one of these boxes or click on my channel above.